How are AI-driven pivots causing massive layoffs in the tech industry? The rapid shift to AI is rewriting job roles faster than ever, leaving thousands suddenly out of work. You need to know why this is happening now. As AI technologies become more powerful, tech companies are shifting their focus to automation and AI-driven products. This means many traditional roles, especially those involving repetitive tasks like coding support or data entry, are being automated. Companies find they need fewer employees for these jobs, triggering layoffs. But it is not just about cutting costs. AI also demands new skills, so firms are hiring differently, which creates a mismatch in the workforce. The tech industry is fiercely competitive, and the rise of AI startups and large-scale AI applications pressures companies to pivot quickly. These strategic pivots mean reallocating resources toward AI development and scaling back other projects. The speed of change leaves little time for gradual transition, leading to sudden and massive layoffs. This is not just about technology, it's about survival in a fast-evolving market. The human cost of these AI-driven shifts is significant. Thousands of tech workers lose jobs globally as companies restructure. Many affected employees face the challenge of reskilling to remain employable in an AI-augmented industry. Governments and organizations are starting to recognize the need for large-scale retraining programs to help workers adapt to this new landscape. Looking forward, AI's influence on the tech industry will only grow. While it eliminates certain jobs, it also creates new opportunities that demand advanced skills in AI development, ethics, and management. For tech workers, adaptability is key. Continuous learning and embracing AI tools will be essential to survive and thrive in this evolving job market. AI-driven pivots are reshaping the tech industry at an unprecedented pace, causing massive layoffs, but also opening new doors. Understanding this shift helps you prepare and adapt. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead in a changing world.